In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Spotify from a phone to a TCL Google TV so that when you play a song from the phone on Spotify, it can actually be played on the TCL Google TV, okay? And the sound comes from the TCL Google TV. So make sure that the phone you're actually going to be using is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the TCL Google TV. So get the phone, make sure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV. This one, the Wi-Fi network is Cablex, as you can see right there. Okay, now get back to the TCL Google TV and head home apps library up to the settings option. Okay, right there. Now move down to the Wi-Fi option, press OK, and make sure it's actually connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the phone. The network on the phone is Cablex and on TV is also Cablex. So get the phone, open Spotify. Now you're actually going to select the song to play. This is the one. Okay, now look in the left upper part right here. See where my thumb is, tap right there. If the phone and the TV actually connect the same Wi-Fi network, the TV name should actually be showing right here. You can see currently the TV name is Dalba TV. So all you have to do is tap the Dalba TV. Okay, the TV. Okay, so now look at what happens on the TCL Google TV. You actually see this happening, all these changes. It's actually going to be showing Spotify and right there. The song on the phone is the same on the TV. Now you can play the song from the phone on Spotify and the sound will actually come from the TCL Google TV. And that's it.